Hello, welcome to Things to Do and Places to Go. Meet my friend, it's Snoopy. And today we're going to take a look at Cedar Point, at Planet Snoopy. We're going to take a little look around Kiddy Kingdom as well, and then head on over to Camp Snoopy. Yes, there are 3 different child-friendly areas here at Cedar Point. So come with us and we'll take a look around. At the top end is the Joe Cool Dodgem School. Mini bumper cars.
Turn at the same time.
Got to turn the wheel and press the button. You've got the operator constantly telling them how to do it. Turn it, push it. That looks like so much fun. Snoopy's Express Railroad. That's a little loop. Very nice looking train as well. Woodstock at the front. Very bright and colourful. Nice area in the centre, little water feature. And then you've got the kite eating tree bouncer. So you hear many of the kids going a little scream when that bounces about. Woodstock Whirlybirds is another, well, it's a bit like a spinning teacup ride, but it is the Woodstock nests you've got just here. I think the parents are going to be having more fun than the kids on this one. It's the Peanut Road Rally. Each one of the cars decked out like the characters from Peanuts. There's the Charlie Brown one. This is Snoopy's Space Race. In this area they do rotate around the rides, so some will be on while others are not, but the operators do move around. I think this operator that we're seeing just here was on a different ride a minute ago, and here are the hot air balloons. They do a little spin around while going up in the air. Another ride that's on rotation is the Deep Sea Diver. There's the submarine here. So that will go around in a loop, much like that. Here in the middle part of the Planet Snoopy area, you do get a chance to meet the characters. They will all appear here in Snoopy's kennel. Here at Planet Snoopy is a life-size Snoopy you can take your photo with. I think most people do. Next section we're going to look at in the park is Kiddy Kingdom. This is for the very young members of the family. Lots of little roundabouts, bright, colourful as well. Now the ride, you can see this one's not working at the moment. This is the rocket ships. They're done in rotation, so the operators move from one to the other. So eventually all of them do get used. And this one over here, you've got the motorbikes, got the very colourful roundabouts, and the shades going over them as well. Now just here we got the big monster trucks, the 4x4s. The 4x4 trucks do have the larger seat in the back for the larger children or even the parents to sit in. I can hear some ahs going on there. You've got the helicopters. It's good because the parents don't have to ride them with them. They put the child in, they're there. No, they're very safe and secure in the rides. Well, this one they've called the police cars. I don't really think they're police cars, but it's 2 rows of seats. It looks like there's some buttons. Oh, there's some buttons that make noises in that particular one. I think I would have loved this one as a kid. The rock spin and turn. So you can see the little raise as that goes round. Got the spinner in the middle to turn them around and get some spinning going. This one parents can go on as well. Another one of the rides that is currently on rotation. As I said, the staff go around them and alternate the rides. That's the mini whip. Right in the middle of this area they have a carousel. Now there is a carousel at the main entrance of Cedar Point, but there is another one. So if you can't get on one, you can always come over to this one. There we go, more horses, and you've got animals. There's tigers and rabbits on this one. If you're a carousel fan, maybe ride both. These are the rocket ships. The rides in this area of the park do run until 10 p.m. Look at the moon buggies here. Oh, I like those. That reminds me of the banana split. If you don't know who that is, ask your parents. And that's all of the rides here in the Kiddy Kingdom section of the park. The third and final all children's section here at Cedar Point is Camp Snoopy, and it's where you find this. And at all original Cedar Fair parks, they always had the rocking Snoopy going over the waterfall in his boat. Now it's a bit of a loop, this one, sort of a big sort of arc. It's up near the Gemini roller coaster, and it is obviously camp themed. You've got the bathroom just there, all the wooden. You've got the balloons, again, the balloon race. It is the same ride that they have down in Planet Snoopy. You've got the refresh station just here. Grab your snacks, your drinks. Charlie Brown's wind up. There's the swing chairs. So this is a different ride. Now Woodstock's Airmail is the bouncer. Now in this section, painted like all of the Peanuts characters in all of their colours, we've got a classic Tilt-A-Whirl design. Parents will love that as well. In fact, it looks like just parents in that one. To get to the camp, you've got to take the camp bus. And that will be just there. Next up we have the Red Baron, the aeroplane ride, or the biplane ride I should say. We'll just go over the bridge in this area. Again, we've got the water feature. We've got lots of trees in this area. Obviously, if you've got the little children, so lots of shade can be found here. Now, just over the far side here, we've got Woodstock Express, and that's the main roller coaster.
Children between 36 to 48 stars must be accompanied by supervisor.
And that's a great coaster for the young ones to ride on. It does go around a couple of times. It takes the photos as well, so if you've got the Fun Pics pass, you'll be able to grab the photos off this ride as well. A lot of the rides have signs on them telling you what time they close at. As you can see, this one closing at 10 p.m, some will close at 8 p.m. Camp Snoopy has its own theatre, and you get the character appearances. Wilderness Run is the second roller coaster here in Camp Snoopy, and it is the slightly smaller one, the beginner coaster that is. The Peanuts 500. The cars come skidding around the corner there. Again, all with the characters. There's no set way to go into the park. You can go anywhere you like. You've even got, just to the side here, the Twin Arrow Acres. Little teepees and some chairs that you can sit on. I don't even know if I don't know if they do the campfire. I'd like to think they did, but it is there. So there we go, that's our trip around the three children's areas here at Cedar Point. So you've had Camp Snoopy, where we're in right now, Planet Snoopy, and the Kiddy Kingdom. So if you're going to be bringing your children to Cedar Point and you're thinking there's not going to be much there for them to do, turns out there is. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.